I will be honest and endeavor to make a corruption free society. He said that he will be an honest person and he will try hard to make our society corruption free. I will work for becoming an enlightened citizen. Enlightened citizen means learned citizen who has all kind of knowledge. So I will try to become an enlightened citizen and make my family righteous. Righteous means good natured family, good natured person. So he will try to be a learned person and make his family good natured. I will always be a friend of the mentally and physically challenged, and he said that he will always try to be a friend of those people who are lacking behind because of some uncertainties, because of some physical challenges, because of some mentally challenges. So we should not make them feel like they are not like us, but even we should make them feel like they are normal like rest of us. And we will work hard to make them feel normal like the rest of us. So we all should follow his all these points. These all were precious points we all should remember. I will proudly celebrate the success of my country and my people. And he said in the last that after following all these points, definitely our country will grow and we all will grow together. We all will get success together, and our country will get success, and we will celebrate this, and he will celebrate this. So these were the points, students. You all should remember these points, and we all should try to follow these points. These were very important for all of us. Okay, now again another question. What is your advice to the students of India to fulfill your vision of 2020? So then he replied, I have a message for youth of our country that the youth should have indomitable spirit. Indomitable spirits means unbeatable. Indomitable means unbeatable, unstoppable. And indomitable spirit has two components. It has two components. Which components are? First is you should have an aim. Of course, you should work for it. We all should have aim in our life. Without aim, if we are just studying or we are just taking knowledge, that is not enough. We should make a goal for all of us, then we should try to achieve that. And the second is while working you will definitely encounter some problems. Obviously we all get problems whenever we work, whenever we do anything in our life. So we should not be afraid of those problems. We should try to face those problems confidently with the braveness. In such circumstances, do not allow the problem to overcome you, to problem to become your master. Yes, it is right. We should not let our problems to be our master, but we should try to control our problems ourselves. You should become the master of the problems instead of your problems become your master. Defeat them and succeed. Fortunately, our nation has a great resource of young population. Yes, it is a great thing for our country that we people are actually young India. We have young population in our country. So it is actually a very big source. Even we can say this is the most important source for any country. Ignited minds of young are the greatest resource compared to any resource on the earth. So ignited means a mind which has spark from the engine. It means which has sparks to do something, which has courage, which has knowledge, and who try to do something in his life, have spark kind of things. So are the greatest resource compared to any resource on the country. Other resources are not as important. As important is this. So, under the earth and above the earth, when ignited minds work and perform with indomitable spirit, a prosperous, happy, and safe India is assured. So he is right that if we people will work with lot of efforts, with our ignited minds, with our sparkful minds, we will achieve something. We will do a lot of things, and we will achieve everything in our life, and even on the earth also, and above the earth also. And happy and safe India is assured. So after this, seventh is, what should we place more faith in, science or God? So he replied, students ask in which we should give faith, science or God. So and science is important or God is important? Then he replied, God has created human beings with brain and a thinking faculty. Obviously, God has created us, so God is superior. And but He has given us brain and He has given us thinking facility, thinking power. So that's why we can think logically, and that creates science. So science is just a uh, uh, brain and thinking facilities. It is just related to our brain, it is just related to thinking, it is just related to the logics. But God is the superior one, and He has commanded His creation that the faculty be used with reasoning to reach this image. And then, if God grants you another question, if God grants you one wish, what would you ask for? So it was a nice question. And then APJ Kalam asked, I will pray to God to give me strength to work for universal peace. And he was actually a very nice human being, a great human being. So he said, if I will pray to God, then I will pray only for strong strength to work hard for my, for only my all universe, for my world, for my country also. So universal peace was most important for him. And it is true, students, now in these days, because everyone is fighting with each other, we people are fighting with each other just on the useless issues. So we all need universal peace, we all need this kind of peace. So if we will become that kind of person like APJ Kalam was, so obviously there will be no fightings between human beings. So now that's it for today, students. Now you have to learn these word meanings and those word meanings which I told you during the chapter. uh, Now, and another question is question number A. You have to do question number A, first part, and A, B, and C. Up to here, you have to do all these three questions, A, B, and C. So you try to solve it. I'll check your questions also. You will send that this homework on my personal number. That's it for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. I hope you liked my video. If you liked it, then thank you, and have a nice day. Bye for now.